Welcome, mineraliagos, to the fascinating and intricate world of rutile, a mineral renowned for its striking beauty and significant role within Earth's geological tapestry. As a naturally occurring titanium dioxide, TiO2, rutile stands out with its unique tetragonal crystal system, exhibiting a lustrous sheen and well-defined prismatic crystals, often admired for their deep red, brown, and nearly black hues. This mineral's formation spans a broad spectrum of environments, from the depths of metamorphic rocks, where it transforms under high temperature and pressure, to the heart of igneous bodies, crystallizing as magma cools and solidifies. Rutile's allure extends beyond its physical beauty, as it plays a crucial role in industrial applications, notably in the production of titanium metal and titanium dioxide, materials prized for their high strength-to-weight ratio, corrosion resistance, and pigment properties. These attributes make rutile indispensable in aerospace engineering, paint manufacturing, and even in the crafting of jewelry, where its needle-like inclusions in gemstones such as quartz and sapphire create captivating star effects and add to their value and appeal. Composed of titanium and oxygen, rutile epitomizes the enduring strength and versatility of minerals forged by Earth's dynamic geological processes. In its presence, we are reminded of the intricate connections between the mineral kingdom and human advancement, a testament to the profound impact of Earth's natural resources on our lives. Rutile invites us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the Earth, inspiring awe and appreciation for the complexities and wonders that lie beneath our feet.